Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. I know I am. I've been working all day. I just cleaned the house. I got the radio dusted. I pretty well got the radio room spring cleaned. I got a lot of the equipment moved where I could take a rag with furniture polish and go underneath everything. The other day, I had the computer table pulled out. And there was so much dust, let me see if I can get under here, on my power supply, that I could write my name on it. It's clean as a whistle now. Really enjoying my monitor. And look here how neat I got that. It was just piled up. Looked awful. The chairs was piled up. Got everything organized. Got stuff in bags. Got battery packs in bags. And different things I need. So it don't look so junked up. I still got to move this computer and monitor to the bedroom. But you can see that I've done a good job cleaning. Really enjoying this monitor. I'll show you the rest of the house. I got the whole house cleaned up. Well, I still like to do some work to the back room, but I got the living room cleaned up. Got the whole house mopped and everything. But there's them chips I was talking about. And after a while later on, we're going to take some ground beef, and me and Chris is going to have some tacos. Looking forward to that. Went to Taco Bell the other day, ate some tacos, and got me some tacos, hot sauce, and mild sauce. I like my hot and mild. The house smells good. Looks okay. And ain't as cluttered as it was. I just can't handle clutter. Like I said, the back room I need to do some more work to hit. And here's the bedroom. I'm about done with this room. I gotta clean the mirror on the dresser. Got my treadmill up where I can mop. There's my big one-eyed monster. That thing weighs heavier than Derny. I mean, it's heavy. I wouldn't want to carry it around much. And there's my new door sweep. Got rid of the boxes. So, anyway, the house ain't perfect, but that's about as good as I can do for today. Rome wasn't built in a day. Like I said, this monitor is awesome. I don't have no trouble seeing everything on my YouTube videos and everybody else's videos. But hope everybody has a great day and a good weekend and a good week coming up. I've not even been on the radio. I've been too busy cleaning and dusting, and I need to get the bedroom mirror, and I need to finish up the back room, and I'll be done. But I'm going to get a shot here of the whole layout. That looks really good. Thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for all the great comments. I appreciate you, and everybody have a blessed day. 73s from KE4BFG. I'm out of here.